We already saw that one challenge that we face when using a value from an analog input and sending it to an analog output is that the analog read function in our case will return a value in the range of 0 to 1033, while analog write function work with value in the range of 0 to 255 as the input for the duty cycle. To fix this, we will use again the map function with the parameters 0 to 1033 as the original range and 0 to 255 as the new needed range. That's all. Let's see that in action, meaning the new updated sketch that is called step 2b and the actual result using the hardware.